Welcome to the Flexera 1 home screen. In this video, you'll learn how to get information about usage reduction recommendations for your cloud spend. Usage reduction recommendations are essentially recommendations to revise the usage of cloud services in order to optimize cloud spend. We'll cover Flexera's approach to optimization using Flexera policies. We'll then walk through the steps to select and apply the appropriate Flexera policies and view usage optimization recommendations. Flexera policies are small program units which apply logic at scale. In the case of optimization, the logic applied is to join up the time-phased cloud telemetry information to provide recommendation within its incidents. These incidents are then rolled up into the optimization dashboard and presented to the user. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to work with Flexera's usage optimization recommendation capabilities. The first step is to identify the optimization policies which you will need to apply. To access these, navigate to the automation catalog from the navigation here. Within the automation catalog, there are around 200 optimization policies covering AWS, Azure, GCP for various cloud services. For this demonstration, we will select the AWS right size EC2 instance. Each of these policies will have its own set of input parameters that lets you define the input criteria for the action. Input parameters like minimum threshold savings, whether to leverage both CPU and memory or either CPU or memory, and thresholds for various other actions can be entered. And then I'd click Apply Policy. Once it completes, I can navigate to the Automation Incident section to view the output of the incident of a specific policy. The incident gives me a good set of information about the optimization recommendations which that particular policy has identified. As you can see, I have already filtered this to AWS right size, and I can see that there are a number of recommendations generated for idle EC2 instances. If I click on this, I can view the incident, which provides me a lot of valuable information, including the resource ID. Additionally, a complete set of details is consolidated into the optimization dashboard, which is available at Cloud Optimization. Within this dashboard, the rate reduction and usage reduction optimization opportunities are consolidated. By clicking on the appropriate heading, either usage or rate reduction savings or all recommendations, the form with the full details of these appear. I will click on usage reduction savings. Now when I click on this link, the form appears with all of the information pertaining to these usage reduction recommendations. I have already grouped the output with policy sets and cloud. So if I go into right size compute instance, I can see that there are 100 AWS right size compute instance recommendations. All of these have been generated by the AWS right size EC2 instance policy, which I have applied, and all of these have a valuable set of both technical information like tags and RBDs, as well as billing center information, which is your business context. For more information, I can click on the specific recommendation, and that opens up a screen which slides from the right, and that provides me with much more detailed information for that particular recommendation. By using all of this information, I can decide what action I need to take with this recommendation. Flexera One CCO also has the ability to automatically take action or execute action on these recommendations if it is granted appropriate privileges within the cloud environment. As with the other Flexera screens, this table can be exported as a Excel file or a CSV for recording a static copy or for further online processing. Now that you understand Flexera's usage optimization recommendations, you can go ahead to apply these to identify optimization opportunities in your cloud estate.